Hello dear crafty friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is about how to create different styles of card bases or cards using the waste and unused pattern paper, small cutouts. So let's get started. For this we need lots of waste cutouts, liquid glue, scissor and some card bases. That's it. So I'm starting with my first card. For this I'm taking this base which measures 4.5 by 5.5 inches and I'm taking some scrap paper strips and I will arrange it like this. The base is having 220 GSM thickness. The purpose of making this tutorial is just that you don't need to throw any small piece of paper. You can utilize it and you can create the miracle. Yes, I am not joking. You can create lots and lots of cards and bases for scrapbooks, albums, cards, mixed media layouts, nameplate bases, anything. So you can say this is the best idea of the waste material. You can use any color combination but try to stick to the one color. Like in this card I am adding red and peach shades. Now I'm adding this golden circle and this thinking of you sentiment and also adding the cute butterfly in the corner. So first card is about to ready and before completion I am making some small dash lines using my white gel pen all over the edge. So first card is ready. Now I am proceeding to the second one. For this I am taking blue base and some small square cutouts. These are very tiny. This measures 3 by 3 centimeters. So see, any small paper also can be useful for you. I am just distressing the edge of this paper using purple color distress ink and now I will arrange these squares like this. So base is ready. Now I'm adding this to cheer you sentiment strip, and I'm cutting from both the sides for the banner look. And now I'm adding one tiny white quilling flower in one corner to decorate my card. So this is done. Now I'm starting with the third one. For this I'm taking peach card base and some paper strips in pink color shade. Like I told you earlier, just stick to one shade so that your card will look uniform. So this is done. Now I'm adding this to cheer you sentiment. On the back side I have added foam tape to give little height. So I am just removing the liner and connecting, and in one corner I am adding this stamped rose image. So this is also done. Now I'm proceeding to the fourth one. For this I am taking this craft cardstock base, just creating a line using my pencil like this. Now I am taking some peach and reds and greens shades of pattern paper pieces, and I will arrange these strips like this. And I'm adding one peach strip on top of this. Now I am adding a punched border to decorate my card. See, a small decoration can enhance your beauty of the card, like I'm adding any butterfly, punched border, or small flowers or small sentiment. Here I'm adding thinking of you. And my fourth card is also ready. Now I'm proceeding to the fifth one. For this I'm taking blue base and I have created these 1.5 inch wide tags. I'm taking one more strip which is 1.5 inch wide and I have written there, wishing you the happiest birthday ever. And using my tag punch machine I am making a tag like this. If you don't have tag punch, you don't need to worry, you just need to cut this in a tag shape and punch in the center using hole punch machine. Now first I am arranging these pattern paper tags like this. And then I am taking my black base and connecting my sentiment tag on top of this. Now on the top of this tag I am adding this small tiny blue color bow, and on right side I will add black color punched border. So the fifth card is also ready. Now I am proceeding to the sixth one. For this I have already prepared this 3x3 centimeter thinking of you sentiment piece. I am adding this in the center and I am taking some pattern paper strips and I will arrange it in this way. Like this. Now I am adding these two white color punched flowers in top and bottom diagonally. I have added half cut pearl in the center of the flower. Isn't it looking cute? So my sixth card is ready. Now I'm proceeding to the last card. For this I'm taking this yellow base and one pattern paper strip and punching it through my border punch machine and creating a border like this. In the same way I have created lots of borders. So alternatively I am adding from the bottom towards the upper part of the card, and first I will add pink, then pattern paper strip, then again pink, then pattern paper design, and so on. Cutting the excess paper. Then I am adding this yellow color banner, red color banner, and to cheer you sentiment banner. Now I am again adding this cute butterfly in this bottom corner. So the seventh card is also ready. So my all 7 different styles of cards using the waste and unused pattern paper pieces are ready. I'm sure you have got some idea to reuse your small tiny decorative pieces. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.